What's up, guys? We're back doing the fitment, proper fitment now. So we're gonna be lowering the front and getting in alignment, and it should be good. Back here with Jesse. Hello.
What's up?
Part two of the whole job here.
Okay. So we're lowering the front and aligning it.
Yes. So I don't sway to the left anymore.
Oh, it pulls?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I did Tour de Ile with my dad a couple days ago, and he's like, yeah, I was gonna take the car for a spin, but do the alignment first before. That's a man right there. A real man. A real cock.
This is a man. A handsome, muscular man. I'm muscular.
But who are you kidding, Quill? You're one sandwich away from fat.
Yo, Matt. What's up?
He's like, yo, get off my,
Yo, let me zoom in on that ass. Alright, so it was really hard to do this side.
this walking one on the bottom, we can't see it here.
Yeah.
But the lower one was like stuck on the side. But I got it to move a lot.
Well, we'll see. I'm sure it'll make a bit of a difference. As long as it doesn't.
No, it'll be good. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. As long as it doesn't look like it's a drag stance, but opposite.
Or wheel standing stance.
Exactly. So, we'll see. And do the alignment too. I'm gonna try it again.
It lowers, but not too much.
You guys probably think we're like the worst people ever with this, but trial and error, man. That's what it is.
Yep. Gonna keep on putting penetrating fluid and
Yeah.
see if I can.
Literally just use the whole can.
Yeah.
And it's really just this side.
Yeah. The other side goes, but then it'll look stupid, right?
See, he even has the heavy duty gloves now.
So it doesn't hurt my hands. Oh, okay, it's pretty tight. Okay, let's see.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah, but you see now we gotta turn it the other way.
this is the hard part.
This is the problem. Oh my god.
Oh,
Moves a bit.
it's moving. It's like you gotta keep a momentum.
Oh, it's going.
It's doing it.
What, Matt? What do you want? I take off the filter completely. It's leaking from the filter?
Queef.
It's gonna queef everywhere, but I got one.
I put the filter on, but the gasket from the filter is like over on the side.
That's the original one?
Now it's actually turning.
Yeah, it's turning.
Oh, look at that.
My hand hurts a lot though.
He's not gonna have any hands left after this. But it's finally turning.
Let's make it so low. No, turn it down.
I'm going to SoClean on Sunday. I don't know if you're gonna be free.
No, I'm actually going to Ottawa on Sunday.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, it's not a concert.
Oh, which concert?
Between the Buried and the metal band.
I don't know that, guys. I'm sorry if you know what that is.
Hey Matt, can you finger tighten my lug nuts?
His nuts.
My nuts, finger tighten them.
These nuts.
Come on, Matt. Don't you want to see how low the car's gonna be?
He's loosening them.
Oh, you fucking asshole.
He's undoing them. He's not even.
I'm helping. You said unloosen them with my nails.
And he left. He left with one nut inside. His hat literally is his personality. Just a cock. Hi! Final moment of truth. I think this is it. Oh.
It's a lot lower.
Yeah. What do you think?
What do you think?
It's like almost the same as the back. Like, let me just go from here. I think the back is still slightly lower. Yeah.
You want me to bottom it out there?
Well, if you don't mind, like, just doing it. What are you doing?
funny, Matt? I forgot how to laugh. You just want to eat it.
What kind of person has a phone call with their flash on? Yo, Matt. Matt, turn around. Yo.
Your light's on your phone.
Yo.
Yo, Matt, the light's on.
Yo, your light's on, bro.
But nobody's home.
Hello? Oh my god. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. It just made it. Damn. Yo, how sick. Oh yeah. Alright, well the alignment is done, guys. I know this video has been kind of choppy and not really showing a whole lot, but the alignment's done. Car looks good. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you.
That looks a lot better. Now I can barely push your fingers. Before it was like
I know.
comfortably.
2 fists.
Yeah, 2 fists.
I'm gonna take it for a quick spin after, see how it feels, but should be pretty nice now. Oh, just this shot right here looks so good. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh. Dude, it looks so good. Oh, damn. Oh, you hear that? A little scraping. Alright guys, well, that was pretty cool. A little scrape. Nice little scrape. Oh, that's great.
Honestly, you have to watch out with your front too, I think. Oh, it looks so much better. Yeah, it's dope.
Well, thanks again, man.
No problem, man.
Appreciate it.
We got your keys. We're gonna go pull
Yes,
this.
yes. Alright guys, this is gonna be the first drive. Take the car out the way it is right now. Hopefully you guys can see me. Hope this is not too in the way there. But yeah, gonna get a good feel for feeling how it drives. So it feels so much lower already, like Jesus. Ooh. Oh yeah. Handles great, man. That wheel alignment and just how much lower it sits in the front now, guys. Pretty good. I love this car. Well, I'm for sure gonna do an extra video of doing like some back road driving or something, guys. I just wanted to basically conclude the whole, I guess, install process and the whole, you know, wheel alignment, all that stuff for the BC coilovers. Definitely worth investing in. I think they are pricey. I fortunately got lucky. Shout out to one of my friends who spotted them out for me. I did pick them up secondhand, but they were barely used, so they're practically brand new. And yeah, if you guys can afford these, I definitely recommend them. Handles great, man. Handles better than it did stock, obviously. It's more comfortable actually, and you have the full adjustability and all that stuff. So anyways guys, if this is your first time, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys hopefully in the next video, and yeah, take care. Peace.